Hey everyone, it's Ryan, Lisa, Jason, and Kathy from Disney Pins Blog. We are here at Hollywood Studios for an unboxing video. We have the new Disney Princess, what do you call this, the gold frame?
Yeah, like gold frame with the oval. I love them because they have the gold frames. Jason and I love gold frame pins.
Yeah, anything elaborate, I'm into.
So these came out maybe a month ago at Disney Parks. They're available at Disneyland and Walt Disney World Resort. They're about $15 per box. You get 2 randomly selected pins per box. And I'll leave a link below for the blog post for more information. And yeah, so we have 2 boxes to unbox today, and we're gonna each open up 1. So you have 2 pins per box. So let's get right into it.
I really want Ariel. You want Jasmine. We have to wait. I don't know what they want. What do you guys want?
Opening. Yeah.
What do you want?
Jen, what do you want?
What pin do you want?
What do I
You
want?
have to say before you open it.
I'm thinking Ariel or Belle.
Maybe Rapunzel.
Kathy wants Rapunzel. Let's see. Alright, who's going first?
Well, here's a closer look at the front of the box, just so you guys can see. The back.
Oh, by the way, we got a we got a request to do this video by our friends on Disney Pins Blog. Alex, yeah.
This one's for you.
Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video.
Alright, so we have our 4 bags here. Who wants to go first? Lisa?
Alright, come on. Ariel, I hope you're in here. Oh, that was a good one.
That was a good rip.
Yeah.
You got the OG.
Original princess. Here she is. We got Snow White. And we'll show you all the princesses at the end.
Nice.
I like Snow White. She's pretty.
Yep. Alright. Oh,
Ryan, party foul.
Alright, bag number 2.
Here we go.
Give me something good.
Oh!
Rapunzel.
Kathy! Kathy's gonna have to trade him.
Yeah.
That's a good one. I'm going?
Yeah, Jason's up.
Alright.
Come on, Jason. Use those muscles.
Alright. I'm gonna show you guys.
Jasmine.
I'm showing the camera first.
Ariel.
Oh, Tiana! I wanted Tiana.
That's your favorite princess.
Love Tiana.
Tiana.
She's the best.
I do love Tiana's dress.
Love Louisiana.
Yeah. New Orleans. Alright, Kathy.
Okay. So far, no doubles, so we're pretty good.
And none that we actually want, right?
Yeah.
I did.
It's gonna be Jasmine.
Kathy did want Rapunzel. Come on, Kathy.
Okay, I'm gonna show it.
Jasmine!
Good luck.
We're trying to.
You got what she wanted, and she got what you got.
Perfect.
What you wanted.
Yes.
That.
That's what I wanted.
All you need pins.
Yeah, no
Nice.
doubles.
No double.
That was
was
awesome.
great.
They're pretty nice. I like them.
I do like them a lot. They have like a 3D frame on them and then like an enamel feel on them.
Yeah.
Pretty glossy.
Yeah, right. Cool. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'll show you a closer look at the pins now. See ya.
Bye. Bye.